On a calm afternoon, when the world felt slower and quieter, a young woman named Lena sat by the window of her room. Outside, the breeze moved gently through the trees, and inside, the room was filled with warmth and light. Lena had always loved handmade things. She believed that objects created by hand carried a kind of soul, something machines could never give. That day, as she opened an old wooden box that once belonged to her grandmother, she found a thin crochet hook and a small bundle of colorful thread. She didn't know it yet, but that moment would quietly change her life. Lena had seen crochet before, but she had never tried it herself. The hook looked small and fragile, and the thread felt delicate between her fingers. She wondered how something so thin could turn into something beautiful. Still, curiosity pulled her in. She remembered her grandmother often saying that the best way to learn anything was to begin small and be patient with yourself. Inspired by those words, Lena decided that her first crochet project would be something tiny, simple, and meaningful. That was when she chose to make crochet earrings. Crochet earrings are one of the best projects for beginners. They are small, lightweight, and quick to finish, which makes them perfect for learning basic crochet skills without feeling overwhelmed. You don't need years of experience or expensive tools. You don't even need a large amount of yarn. Crochet earrings teach you control, focus, and confidence, all while creating something you can actually wear. Before starting, it's important to understand that crochet is built on a few basic movements repeated over and over. At its heart, crochet is about pulling loops through loops in a calm, steady rhythm. For beginners, this repetition is a gift. It allows your hands to learn naturally, without pressure. To make crochet earrings, you only need a few simple materials. A small crochet hook works best, especially a steel hook, because earrings require fine, delicate stitches. Lightweight yarn or crochet thread is ideal, and cotton thread is especially popular because it holds its shape well. You'll also need a pair of scissors, earring hooks, and small jump rings to attach the crochet piece to the hooks. These basic supplies are all you need to begin. When Lena first held the crochet hook, it felt awkward in her hand. Her fingers weren't sure where to rest, and the thread slipped as she tried to control it. But she reminded herself that every beginner starts this way. Crochet isn't about speed or perfection, it's about patience and practice. The first stitch every beginner learns is the chain stitch. It forms the foundation of most crochet projects, including earrings. Making chains may seem simple, but it teaches coordination between your hook hand and your yarn hand. As Lena practiced chaining, she noticed how her hands slowly began to move more smoothly. Each chain felt like a small victory. Next came the slip stitch. This stitch helps join work neatly and is especially useful when making circular earring designs. Slip stitches also teach beginners how to control tension, which is an important skill in crochet. Too tight, and the stitches are hard to work into. Too loose, and the fabric loses its shape. The single crochet stitch is another essential stitch for crochet earrings. It creates a firm, tight fabric that works perfectly for small accessories. Single crochet stitches are easy to learn and forgiving for beginners. Lena found comfort in their simplicity. Stitch by stitch, she felt herself relaxing. Her first crochet earring design was a simple circle. She created a small ring of chains, worked single crochet stitches into the center, and joined the round carefully. At first, her stitches were uneven, some were tighter than others, and the circle wasn't perfectly flat. But when she finished, she smiled. She had made something real with her own hands. That moment taught Lena an important lesson. Crochet is not about creating flawless pieces. It's about learning, improving, and enjoying the process. Every beginner's first project tells a story of courage and curiosity. As she continued, she experimented with another easy design, the teardrop shape. teardrop earrings look elegant, but they are surprisingly simple to make. This design helped her learn how to work back and forth along a chain and how to shape her work gently. With every new earring, her confidence grew. Tension became one of the most important lessons in her crochet journey. Lena noticed that when she held the thread too tightly, her hands got tired quickly. When she relaxed her grip, the stitches flowed more easily. Crochet taught her not just a craft, but also how to slow down and breathe. Color played a big role in her creativity. Crochet earrings allowed her to experiment freely. Bright colors felt bold and playful, while soft neutrals felt calm and classic. Because earrings use very little yarn, Lena didn't feel afraid to try new shades. Each color felt like a fresh beginning. Once the crochet pieces were finished, Lena learned about finishing techniques. Blocking was one of the most important steps. By lightly dampening the earrings and shaping them carefully, the stitches looked neater and more professional. This simple step transformed her work. Attaching the earrings to hooks was the most exciting part. Using a small jump ring, she connected the crochet piece to the earring hook. In that moment, her crochet stopped being just a practice project and became real jewelry. She tried them on and saw her reflection smiling back at her. Crochet earrings are not just accessories, they are small pieces of art. Each pair reflects time, effort, and intention. For beginners, finishing a pair of earrings brings a sense of accomplishment that motivates you to keep learning. As Lena practiced more, she began exploring simple decorative stitches. Picot stitches added a delicate edge, while small chain loops created texture. She learned that crochet is flexible. There's always room for creativity, even with basic skills. Mistakes became part of her journey. Sometimes she miscounted stitches or skipped a loop. Instead of feeling frustrated, she learned to gently pull out her work and try again. Crochet taught her patience in a way nothing else had before. Crochet earrings also became meaningful gifts. When Lena gave her first handmade pair to a close friend, the joy she saw on her friend's face reminded her why handmade crafts matter. The earrings carried love, effort, and care. Practicing regularly helped Lena improve faster. Even short sessions made a difference. Crochet earrings were perfect for this because they didn't require long hours. She could work on them during quiet moments, turning crochet into a calming habit. For beginners, starting with simple patterns is important. There's no need to rush into complex designs. Crochet earrings allow you to grow slowly and confidently. Each completed pair builds skill and self-belief. Over time, Lena noticed changes beyond her crochet skills. She became more patient, more focused, and more creative. Crochet gave her a sense of control in a busy world. It became her peaceful escape. Crochet earrings also taught her consistency. Making 2 earrings that matched took attention and care. She learned to count stitches carefully and check her work. This discipline improved her overall crochet ability. As her skills grew, she began combining different techniques. She played with layering, mixing textures, and experimenting with shapes. Crochet earrings became her creative playground. For beginners everywhere, crochet earrings offer the perfect starting point. They are manageable, rewarding, and full of possibilities. They show that small projects can lead to big confidence. Crochet is more than yarn and hooks. It's a quiet conversation between your hands and your heart. Every stitch carries intention. Every finished piece holds a memory. As you begin your own crochet journey, remember that everyone starts as a beginner. Allow yourself to learn slowly. Celebrate small wins. Enjoy the process. One day, you'll look at your first crochet earrings and smile. They may not be perfect, but they will remind you of where you started. And that is the true beauty of crochet. Not perfection, but progress, patience, and the joy of creating something with love.